Today, we're diving into the world of breakfast and exploring the top 10 morning foods that will kickstart your day on a healthy note. As the most important meal of the day, breakfast drives our overall health and well-being. Let's explore the science behind breakfast's power. At the core of breakfast's significance is its ability to kickstart our metabolism. After a night of rest, our body needs fuel to rev up its engines. Our morning meal signals our metabolism to get to work, allowing us to burn calories more efficiently throughout the day. Beyond just calories, breakfast is the first opportunity to nourish our bodies with essential nutrients. It is important to consume well-balanced morning meals every day because they are rich in vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients that contribute to our overall health. These nutrients are like the building blocks that support various bodily functions, from energy production to immune system function. Picture your morning routine as the opening scene of a movie. What you choose to eat for breakfast sets the tone for the rest of the plot, the day ahead. Our mental clarity and emotional well-being are also enhanced by a nutritious breakfast, which facilitates better decision-making, increased focus, and a more positive outlook on tomorrow's challenges. So, as we embark on this journey through the top 10 morning foods, remember that the power of breakfast goes beyond mere sustenance. It's a daily opportunity to invest in your health and well-being. Stay with us as we explore the specific foods that can make your breakfast a nutritional powerhouse. Let's make each morning count. As we continue our journey through the realm of morning foods, let's shine a spotlight on a breakfast classic, oatmeal. A key component of oatmeal's charm is its high fiber content, which provides a steady supply of energy throughout the day, like a slow-burning fuel. If you choose oatmeal for breakfast, you're not only satisfying your immediate hunger, but also providing sustained energy that keeps you going until your next meal. But the goodness of oatmeal doesn't stop at energy. It's also a heart-healthy choice. Oats contain soluble fiber called beta-glucans, which has been linked to lower cholesterol levels. Regular consumption of oatmeal can help regulate cholesterol levels and improve overall cardiovascular health. Now let's talk about how to take your oatmeal game to the next level, toppings. Oatmeal is a canvas for creative, healthy additions because it is so versatile. Your bowl can be enriched with antioxidants by adding a handful of fresh berries, or a crunch by adding nuts like almonds or walnuts, or a touch of sweetness by drizzling honey or maple syrup. If you find these tips helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on all notifications so that I can keep you up to date. Moving on to section 2 of our morning food journey, energized with eggs. It's no secret that eggs are one of the most popular breakfast foods. Let's take a closer look at why eggs are a great source of protein and essential nutrients. The primary benefit of eggs is that they are rich in high-quality protein, which is essential for maintaining muscle tissue, growth, and overall well-being. Starting your day with a protein-packed breakfast can help you stay energized and focused throughout the morning. Eggs are not only full of protein, they also provide a variety of essential nutrients such as vitamin B12, D, and E, as well as important minerals such as iron and zinc. It's like nature's multivitamin in a shell. Whether you like them boiled, scrambled, poached, or sunny side up, eggs can be customized to suit your taste and preference. Whether you choose boiled eggs or scrambled eggs, you'll enjoy their fluffy texture and elegance on your breakfast plate. The choice is yours. Get ready for section 3 of our morning food expedition, the nutrient-rich avocado. Avocados are packed with monounsaturated fats, the good type of fats that support heart health. They also contain a variety of vitamins, including vitamin K, vitamin E, vitamin C, and several B vitamins. Now, let's explore some creative ways to incorporate avocados into your morning routine, starting with a classic avocado toast. Using mashed avocado on whole grain toast, you can add cherry tomatoes, feta cheese, or chili flakes for added flavor. If you want a refreshing twist, add avocados to your morning smoothies. Their creamy texture blends seamlessly, creating a deliciously thick and nutritious drink. Let's keep the morning momentum going with section 4, fuel up with Greek yogurt. First, let's talk about the benefits of Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a great source of high-quality protein, suitable for anyone looking to fuel their day and support their muscle health. On top of that, it's loaded with probiotics, the friendly bacteria that promote a healthy gut. The versatility of Greek yogurt makes it exciting. You can combine it with your favorite fruits, nuts, or granola for a delicious breakfast. Top your yogurt with fresh berries for flavor and vitamins, or add some crunchy granola and nuts for a delightful texture contrast. Now, let's jump into Section 5, the Berry Boost. The berries, such as blueberries and strawberries, don't just taste good, they are tiny powerhouses of antioxidants that can boost your morning routine. The antioxidants in berries help fight oxidative stress, which contributes to better skin health and helps support brain health and overall health as well. A great way to incorporate berries into your morning is to add them to smoothies, where their natural sweetness pairs well with other fruits and provides a nutrient-dense punch to start your day off right. Berries can also be sprinkled over Greek yogurt, giving it a delicious combination of antioxidants and protein. Now, let's move into Section 6, Whole Grain Goodness, Quinoa. As a complete protein, quinoa contains all 9 essential amino acids, as well as fiber, vitamins, and minerals. You can take quinoa to the next level by exploring the variety of ways it can be incorporated into your morning routine, so let's take a peek at some tasty quinoa breakfast recipes. For a warm, comforting breakfast option, try quinoa porridge, cooked with milk or dairy-free milk, and topped with berries, nuts, or yogurt. You can even blend quinoa into your morning smoothies for an extra protein boost. It adds a subtle nutty flavor and a creamy texture, making your smoothie even more satisfying. As we venture into the heart of morning nutrition, let's turn our focus to the nutty beginnings with the powerhouse duo, nuts and seeds. With healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals packed into them, nuts and seeds make the ideal morning snack. Whether it's omega-3 fatty acids in walnuts, magnesium in almonds, or iron in pumpkin seeds, each variety offers a unique nutritional punch. Nuts and seeds provide a wealth of nutrients, but portion control is vital, especially for anyone concerned about their calorie intake. Providing the desired nutritional benefits without overburdening your daily calorie budget is all about moderation, ensuring you enjoy the nutritional benefits without overindulging. Adding nuts and seeds to yogurt, oatmeal, or your morning smoothie for a nutritional boost is a great way to add crunch and flavor to your breakfast. Now, let's shift our focus to a breakfast delight that's as creamy as it is nutritious, cottage cheese. Packed with lean protein and low in carbohydrates, cottage cheese is a versatile option for those looking to fuel their morning with a protein-packed punch. Protein is essential for muscle maintenance and repair, making cottage cheese an excellent choice, especially for those with an active lifestyle. When you start your day with this protein powerhouse, you'll get sustained energy and muscle support. For a burst of natural sweetness and additional vitamins, pair cottage cheese with fresh fruit for a boost of flavor and nutritional value. If you prefer, drizzle some honey on top for a touch of sweetness to complement the creaminess of the cottage cheese. And now, let's jump into Section 9, Hydration Hero with green tea. Staying hydrated in the morning is crucial, and what better way to do it than with the health benefits of green tea? Green tea is not just a beverage, it's a hydration hero. Packed with antioxidants and nutrients, green tea has been known to boost metabolism, improve brain function, and promote overall well-being. In the morning, sip on some green tea to get your day started. The mild caffeine content provides a mild energy boost that won't give you jitters, so it makes a perfect substitute for coffee. Besides hydration, the benefits include improved focus, fat burning, and an improved immune system. We'd love to hear from you. Share your favorite breakfast choices, any unique combinations you've discovered, or your go-to morning rituals in the comments below. Your insights might inspire others on their journey to a healthier start. As you embark on each new day, remember that a healthy breakfast sets the tone for a vibrant and energetic life. Here's to starting each day on a positive and nourishing note. Thank you for joining us on this breakfast adventure, and until next time, stay healthy and enjoy your mornings.